Hey everyone, so this will just be a very quick unboxing of the Amazfit, I think that's how you say that name, GTS4 Mini, compact and powerful health smartwatch. So we're just going to do a very quick unboxing here. This Best Buy has these on sale along with other places for only $90. So they are very cheap. They're normally, I think, $120. So we agreed with the watch right here. Then in the box, the rest of the box here, we have a very thick, small booklet. It should be our charger. And it looks like nothing else is in there. Quick look at the charger. It's definitely specific to Amazfit, to this watch. Looking at the watch itself, so do you have this button here that looks like a dial, but it is just a button. It's not actually a crown, as they call them. Hopefully you guys can see there is the Amazfit's symbol on there. Pretty cool. Looking at this strap, it's kind of like what the Fitbits would call an infinity band, where it kind of goes underneath. Looking at the back of the watch, you have your charger bits. That is magnetic, decently strong magnetic too. Then of course you have your heart rate monitor and whatnot. These bands are changeable. I believe these are 20mm bands, so anything standard 20mm bands you should be able to switch this out with, which is actually why I chose this over getting the T-Rex, because the T-Rex has really weird bands. They're really hard to get off and on. This is just super easy. You just pull the little tab thing here and they pop out, pop them in. It's a little bit harder, but it's still not hard. Yeah, all in all, this is a very nice looking, cheap smartwatch, activity watch, health smartwatch as they call it. Very nice looking, I think. There we go. If you look on Amazon, there's a crazy amount of different bands that should be able to fit on this watch, which is what I'm going to be doing for sure. You can kind of change it up. Then a quick look at it next to my Garmin Fenix 6X, which is a gigantic watch. It actually doesn't look too small next to it, which is nice. Yeah, so that was, again, just a very quick unboxing and very quick first look here at the Amazfit GTS4 Mini. It's a very nice looking watch, especially for only $90 right now for Black Friday sales. So, thank you all very much for watching. Hope you have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.